What's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about Mullen Automotive. Once again, that's Mullen Automotive with the ticker symbol MULN. Guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about the latest press release from Mullen Automotive, and also we're gonna talk about the initiatives coming from the Biden administration and if it really has something to do with these kinds of press release from Mullen Automotive. Guys, if you like the information and analysis I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. So guys, Mullen Automotive today closed at a price of $1.17. It's up 18.28% during the trading hours, and it's slightly down in the after hours with a price of $1.13. So guys, we actually have some good news today, right? So we'd like to take a look at that. But okay, so take note, guys, if you go to fintel.io for the institutional ownership of Mullen Automotive, guys, we have 85 total, 76 long only, 1 short and 8 long and short at the same time. Okay, so if we scroll that down, guys, we can clearly see that we have new institutional ownership, institutional investors who just went in and filed this in the SEC. So this is according to fintel.io. So there's a lot of institutions loading up. Okay, as you can see, this is just updated on May 16, which is today, guys. So it's not one, it's not two, it's more than 10 of them. There's this like the new institutional ownership for Mullen Automotive. Although there are some hedge funds or institutions that actually closed their positions with Mullen. This is just 2 of them, right? But as you can see, guys, no, there's 3 of them, but as you can see, there's like more than 10 that actually closed their positions. I mean that there's more than 10 institutional ownerships that actually opened new positions with Mullen Automotive, which is very, very bullish. So guys, personally speaking, with these kinds of SEC filing, okay, institutional ownership, it looks to me that there's a lot of things that might come up with Mullen Automotive in this second quarter. So everybody's expecting that, right? The Fortune 500 company, right? The battery testing, all that stuff. There's a lot of good news that might arise from Mullen Automotive. So let's see how that goes on the horizon. Okay. So guys, today we have a new press release from Mullen Automotive. So this is from Yahoo Finance, but you can also find this information from the Mullen website. So if you go to the Mullen Automotive here, you can also see here Mullen and development partner take solid-state polymer battery cell technology to the vehicle pack level. So they are trying to test this battery in a vehicle pack already. So this is for today, May 16, 2022. It says here, Mullen, an emerging vehicle EV manufacturer, an emerging electric vehicle manufacturer, announced today that an update on its partnership with Linghang Gochuang Group LGG. The Mullen and LGG partnership is currently focused on taking solid-state polymer battery cell technology into vehicle pack level development. For Mullen Automotive, solid-state polymer batteries are currently planned for the second generation of the Mullen 5 EV crossover. So it's also saying here that Mullen and LGG are on track with their current collaboration, which began in late 2019 and was put on hold in 2020 owing to the COVID-19 outbreak. The two businesses have made significant progress in recent months and are thrilled to announce that they have begun integrating solid-state polymer cell technology into vehicle packs. Mullen previously stated that solid-state polymer batteries are in the works for the Mullen 5 EV crossover's second iteration. Solid-state batteries have a potential range of 600 miles and over 600 miles on a full charge and over 300 miles delivered in 18 minutes. Okay, so in 18 minutes with DC fast charging, according to data collected from solid-state testing. So also there's a closing remark from David Misery. He's saying that I am pleased to announce today that Mullen Automotive and LGG are moving forward on solid-state vehicle pack level development. So which is really cool, guys, for this kind of market environment. We're getting news like this from our investment Mullen, right? So they are actually trying to capitalize from the market conditions, at least, giving good news to their investors, which is personally speaking, for me on my end, it's very, very good. So guys, if you go to the press releases of Mullen Automotive, right, you can probably notice that most of them are like their research and development with their battery, also the Mullen reports preliminary summary for financial results for second quarter, and most of them has something to do with the research and development, something like that. So also presentation, right, to the public, general public, right, and also it has something to do with the relations with the government, stuff like that. Okay, so if we go back, right, to the press release, this is from the White House. It says here, fact sheet: President Biden to highlight clean energy manufacturing and development investments that cut consumer costs, strengthen U.S. energy sector, and create good paying jobs. So this article, guys, is from February 28th of 2022, which is this year. Okay, so if we scroll down here, guys, okay, let me just take this out. Okay, so also it says here that calling on Congress to deliver. President Biden knows that we need more. We need to move even faster to combat climate change, and that to meet the moment of fully seize the economic opportunity in front of us, Congress must act. In this first State of the Union address, the president will call on Congress to deliver a legislative agenda for clean energy and climate action. So, as a part of the president's unwavering support for climate solutions, these investments will reduce emissions, lower costs for families, create good paying jobs for workers, and advance environmental justice. So, if we scroll down here, guys, okay, one of them is it says here, give me a sec. So guys, if we scroll down here, this is from the White House. Okay, so if we scroll down here, we can clearly see here, guys, this historic year of progress. Okay, so it says here, jump started an electric transportation future that's made in America. So we've personally speaking, I've heard this also this quote from David Misher himself: "Made in America, uniting automakers and auto workers to get 50% electric vehicle sales share in 2030 and spurring investments of over $100 billion in the American EV and battery manufacturing industry." So that is probably the reason why Mullen Automotive is actually, besides their current EV that they have, so they also focus so much in battery manufacturing technology. So they also wanted that specific market share. So if we click on this article, so this article is from August 5th of 2021. President Biden announces steps to drive American leadership forward on clean cars and trucks. So guys, if we scroll down in this article, okay, so it says here, Build Back Better Investment Agenda. Okay, so this is from August 5th of 2021. So it says here, the global market is shifting to electric vehicles and tapping their potential to save families money, lower pollution, and make the air we breathe cleaner. Despite pioneering the technology, the US is behind in the race to manufacture these vehicles and the batteries that go in them. Okay, today US market share of electric vehicle sales is only 1/3 that of the Chinese electric vehicle market. So definitely, guys, even President Biden, they wanted the majority of that, and they wanted these cars to be solely made in America. So installing the first ever national network of electric vehicle charging stations. So everybody knows that's the reason why ChargePoint, recently in the past has been surging because of these initiatives from Biden. Also delivering point-of-sale consumer incentives to spur U.S. manufacturing and union jobs. Okay, but the most important here is financing the retooling and expansion of full domestic manufacturing supply chain. So hopefully, guys, like I said, Mullen will be able to get a share of that, innovating the next generation of clean technologies to maintain our competitive edge. So guys, as you can see, so we this is from the White House. Okay, as you can see, if we go to the press release of Mullen Automotive and we go to their newsroom, so Mullen files US ATVM car loan, ATVM loan application. So as you can see here, guys, if you read this specific article, Mullen submitted its pre-qualification for on April 25th of 2022 and was invited. Okay, they were invited by the Department of Energy, so they didn't go there. So the Department of Energy invited them to formally submit its loan application on April 29, 2022. Okay, so to formally, so guys, take note of this specific quote unquote, they were invited by the Department of Energy to formally submit their loan application on April 29 of 2022, which is pretty exciting, guys. It means that there must be something going on, right? So it means it could only mean that the Department of Energy is recognizing them as one of the possible recipients of the ATVM loan application. So personally speaking, guys, this news is way bigger than the Fortune 500 news. The Fortune 500 is just a catalyst, but this one, right? If the Department of Energy gives them this loan if they get approved for this loan application, it only means that the government themselves is confident with the technology that Mullen can offer. So guys, today we actually have a volume of 66.4 million. So this is not a lot. Like I said, our average volume used to be 152.05 million. If you take a look at the RSI of Mullen in the weekly time frame, so we didn't actually go to the oversold section. So but of course, as you can see in the weekly, guys, our MACD is still good. Okay, so if you go to your daily time frame, we just bounced, okay, from the oversold section, which is really cool. And of course, we have that one green candle for today. If we break that down in the 4-hour time frame, it looks to me that Mullen is ready to bounce once again at around this area, 1.48. That will be our first stop, around 1.36, 1.48. So hopefully we can get there, because that's another support. So for this, which is, I've been telling this over and over again, this is a demand zone. Hopefully we can get there. Okay, now if we break this down in a 1-hour time frame, guys, so you can clearly see here, guys, that I'm hoping that we can actually get to the demand zone, which is serving as our resistance for this specific security. Now, as you can see, also we can clearly see here, guys, that your VWAP is crawling. It just crawled right above your 50 EMA and your 100 EMA. Hopefully, guys, I know this is a long stretch, but hopefully I was hoping that in the future we can regain back to your 200 EMA. So it's not very far, okay, specifically speaking in your 1-hour time frame. But of course, if you're a long investor like me, right, this will be a very long stretch. But like I said, there's a lot of future catalysts that we're waiting for this specific security, and I'm hoping that everybody that is holding Mullen will be huge winners in the future. Okay, I really hope that Mullen is that one specific investment that will make us all rich. Okay, guys, if you like the information and analysis I have provided to you in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.